Are you tired of brainstorming video ideas, writing scripts, and spending countless hours editing? Have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to create high-quality content that truly stands out? What if I told you that two AI tools, ChatGPT and Pictory, could streamline your entire content creation process and make it easier than ever to create faceless YouTube videos? Hi, I'm Arthur from Money Coach Reviews. My mission is to help you take the guesswork out of online business success. And this video is part of my ongoing series on Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0. Today, we're going to explore how you can use AI tools like the ones Matt recommends in his course to make content creation faster, easier, and more efficient for your faceless YouTube channel. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and write engaging scripts in minutes, and how to leverage Pictory to turn those scripts into polished professional videos without spending hours on editing. These tools align perfectly with Matt's focus on efficiency and scalability to build a faceless YouTube channel. Before we dive in, don't forget to grab my free DIY course review template in the description. It's a powerful tool to help you evaluate courses like Matt Parr's and make smarter investments. And if you're looking for a supportive community to help you learn tips, tricks, and share success stories, join our Facebook group, Money Coach Reviews Community. AI tools like ChatGPT and Pictory are game changers for faceless YouTube channels. They simplify two of the most time-consuming processes: script writing and video editing. These tools help you work smarter, not harder. And they're exactly the kind of automation that Matt Parr talks about in his course to help you scale your YouTube channel business. Let's start with ChatGPT. Imagine you're creating a video about the top 5 budget-friendly gadgets for 2025. Here's how ChatGPT can help. 1. Brainstorm video ideas. You can ask, what are some popular topics for a tech YouTube channel? 2. Write the script. Write a 5-minute YouTube script about the top 5 budget-friendly tech tools. 3. Refine the script. Make the script conversational and engaging for a faceless YouTube channel. Within seconds, you'll have a script ready to go, complete with an intro, main talking points, and an end, and a call to action. Now that we have our script, now it's time to turn it into a professional, polished video using Pictory. Here's how. 1. Log into Pictory and upload your script. 2. Pictory will automatically match your text with stock footage, animations, and voiceovers. 3. Customize the video. You can tweak the visuals, adjust the voiceover, add music, add background music to fit into your channel's voice. This process takes minutes and can produce a polished video ready to upload to your channel. Here's an example video that I made using ChatGPT and Pictory.
Top 5 budget-friendly gadgets for 2025. You need these. Tech keeps getting better, but let's be real. Your wallet isn't keeping up. So today, I've got the top 5 budget-friendly gadgets for 2025.
As you can see, the visuals are professional, the voiceover is clean, and the entire process took less than 15 minutes. These tools are incredibly powerful, but they're not perfect. Pros: they save you time, streamline your workflow, and make content creation accessible, even for a starter, even for a beginner. Limitations are, you'll still need to review the final product for accuracy and ensure it fits with your YouTube channel, voice, and brand. They're tools, not replacements for creativity. AI tools like ChatGPT and Pictory are game changers for faceless YouTube channels, helping you create professional content faster and with less effort. If you're ready to streamline your process, start experimenting with these tools today. Want to make smarter course investments? Grab my free DIY course review template in the description. It's a great tool for reviewing and evaluating courses just like MatPars. And don't forget to join my Money Coach Reviews community on Facebook, where we share tips, tools, and success stories to help you succeed in online business. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.